This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at how you can correct a mistake made during a sales transaction on the XEA207 register. So there's a couple of different ways of correcting an error, and it kind of depends what the error is as to what you do about it. So if it's a numeric entry error, so you've typed in the wrong amount of money or the wrong quantity before you've assigned that quantity or amount to a PLU or a department, you can simply press the CL button and it will get rid of the mistake. And if we enter some items into a transaction, so if we've entered, I don't know, 5 or 6 lots of 99p into different departments, so we've got a subtotal of 594. If it turns out that the last one you've entered was a mistake, so that the 99p into the sweets department that's currently showing, you've got a void last item button here. If you press that, that'll just literally void the sweets. So you can see on there, V for void, 99p sweets. So that's removed that line from the transaction. If the mistake was one earlier in the transaction, then there's a review order void screen which you can enter by pressing the arrow up key, and then you just simply arrow up to the line you want to remove, then press your void button again and it'll get rid of that line. So that was the service line, voided 99p, so our sales down to 396. The other way of clearing a mistake is to do what's called a subtotal void, which is cancelling the whole transaction. Again, you can only do this before you finalise, so you haven't taken payment. So the way you do this is subtotal, then your void key again, followed by subtotal, and that'll void the transaction. So you have subtotal void on the display. If you've got the receipt switched on, which I haven't, you'll get a receipt printout confirming the cancellation of the transaction and that no money's been taken. If you've made a mistake or you spotted a mistake after you've cashed the transaction off, the only way of correcting that on the register is to actually refund it, and I've got another video showing you how to do a refund, which will probably be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to watch that. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.